All right, we are in Lincoln, Nebraska at the Embassy Suites. And they're in the middle of some remodeling. Hopefully that doesn't mean the elevators are going too. But look, oh, they're modding. It looks like one of the elevators might actually get modernized. I'm just gonna stick my phone and see. Is it getting replaced? I can't tell, but that looks like it's a construction elevator. I'll let these guys go up. How's it going? Good. Good. Nice. These are MontgomeryKone. Not often you see the Series 220 with the VFD. Stop it. Going down?
Yep.
No problem. Take care.
Two.
1, 3. You got it? What floor?
8.
8.
8. Fourth? You got it. Going up?
Going down.
Take care. Y'all have a nice night.
Thanks, too. You too.
Is it?
Yep. Hey, go for it. Thank you. Yep.
Thank you.
No
Thanks.
problem. Have a good one.
You too.
This is much less busy than the last time I was here. I came here in the spring and there was some sort of like dance or gymnastics or some sort of convention going on. And literally the entire freaking hotel was crawling. You guys going down?
Let's do that. Come on, let's go. Thank you.
No problem.
Why do you have to go? Do we all have to be in the elevator at the same time? Why do you have to go?
No, you can stand outside the elevator and just travel down on your own.
Oh, I just want, yeah.
Who's tempting at floor 1?
Wait. 9, 10. 9, 10. Oh, there's Solly.
What floor are you going to?
1.
Sounds good. Sorry, just filming the view.
Where's our freaking phone right now? What floor?
I'm just getting a video for a project.
Okay. Wanna go back up?
Yeah, that's my plan. Oh, you're riding too?
Yeah, we're here for the ride.
Fair enough. It's a nice view.
Yeah, and it's really kind and cool.
Go, go,
Oh, on what floor?
go and get in, Grace.
What
5, please.
Hi. What is it now?
Well, you kids enjoy your night.
Where's my coat? What kid? Jack?
Anyway, there's more people in there. I'm not sure what's going on over here, but all right then. Everyone's riding the elevators tonight. Anyway, that's all.